In the MBA Renewables program, the students study online and they know each other only from virtual classrooms, and then they come to Berlin. The first day is like a blind date.
I think what's been probably most interesting to me is the different participants. There are people from all over the world studying in this program, and so it's really interesting to hear what they're doing.
Just doing step by step, and then
It's fun to do.
sometimes we do some steps back.
This program, the MBA Renewables, is a great opportunity for me to integrate my technical skills in the sector by providing a more holistic approach, integrating different courses including financing, project management, and so on.
The relationships and the, let's say, experiences I gained here from the people and the connections I got through them opened for me many new doors. It was really, like, I would say, enriching experience, the whole MBA that I did.